Hey, hey, Jack plays Minecraft here, and today I am doing how to how to install X-Ray mod on 1.6.2 launcher. So I'm playing on one of my favorite servers. Now this is mclinehd.org. It'll be in the description. Well, let's get started. Okay. That's just my. So now you go on the internet. What you want to type up is you're going to type up X-Ray, so X-Ray mod. And click the first one here. Well, it'll be easier if I just put it in the description, so I'll put it there, so you can just click on it. I'm just gonna scroll down. It's going really slow today. Okay. So now you click this one here, right under that. Now you press this way, scroll down. Now scroll all the way to the bottom here. It should say download. Next to it, in brackets, X-Ray mod 1.6.2. Click that. Wait 1 second. It's a bit annoying. Well, it's basically now you press download latest version. Okay, so after downloading it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this on your desktop. So I'll put it on my desktop. Now you should know Go. So if you have a Mac, I'm doing it on Mac. So what you do is at the very top it should say Finder, File, Edit, View, Go, and Window. So basically click on your desktop like this. Then at the top, very top, next to the black apple, it should have like some options. Click Go and press Go to folder. Now type this in. I'll put it for you at the bottom. So just go there and go to versions. Now what you want to do is you're going to duplicate this folder. You don't have to. Actually, yeah, you do. You have to duplicate that folder and rename it whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it My X-Ray. So I'm just going to call it that. So you can name it anything you want. Double click on it and open it. So you don't want this. Just going to delete that. Just going to put trash. Hey, you're going to rename this. What you named your folder. So I named mine My X-Ray. Gonna do that. Gonna do the exact same thing, but leave the last dot something. So .json and .jar. So My X-Ray. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna double click on the .json, and this is very important. So don't. So yeah. This is very, very important. So, what you're going to do now is you're going to, don't delete these two dots on each side, just delete the middle thing. So that's 1.6.2. Now, put it exactly what you named the .json. So, I named my X-ray, and you have to do it exactly, otherwise this will not work. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go open with Underdriver. So it's an app you can download off the internet, or you can download, yeah. Okay, there we go. So it's there. Now you don't need this, so you just move to trash. Double click on it. Wait. Okay, good. Now scroll down to M. So you're gonna look for M. You're gonna go to MetaInf. You're gonna wanna do it. You wanna put that in trash. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep this open because you have to keep it open. You're gonna double click on this and do Command A. Now do secondary click on it and press copy and press in the space and paste items. Now press apply all and replace. After that's done, do Command A, secondary click on one of the items and press compress. Okay, now just click normally. Go all the way to the bottom. You're gonna want to drag this up and move back. And you're gonna have to delete this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag this back in. And what you're gonna name it is exactly what you named this. So yeah. So you're gonna name it my X-ray. So name it that. And put dot jar. You have to put the dot jar. But you have to name it exactly this. Okay, so there we go. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do Command S. Wait, Command S. Oh wait. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna close this. You're gonna want to open Minecraft. Okay, here it is. Okay, there's one more thing you're gonna do. When you open up the launcher, so you have to log in and press new profile and put your name in, profile name. So just keep that. Now here, you gotta do this. Don't mess with these. Just keep it as that. But you scroll down here and it should say use latest version. Now click that and go to release, whatever you call that, my X-ray or something. Click that and now press save profile. I'm gonna look for it here and press play. Now go on single player. So I'm just gonna do anything, create. Yeah. Just taking a while. Now press X, and there you have it. You have X right now. I hope this helped you, and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and comment if this worked, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.